In this tutorial, I want to guide you step by step on how to install the Litchi Pilot app on your Android phone so you can start flying Waypoint missions, mapping missions, and automated drone flights with your DJI RCN1, RCN2, or RCN3 controller. Let's get started. Open your preferred internet browser, or simply click on the Google search bar, type in Litchi Pilot, and hit search. Click where it says Open Beta, Litchi Pilot. Once the page loads, scroll down to the section where you see the list of supported drones for Litchi Pilot. Please make sure you read this section carefully so you understand which drones are officially supported and which ones are not. Since Litchi Pilot is currently an Android-only application, some DJI controllers and devices may not be compatible. Now, if your drone or controller does not support the Litchi Pilot app, don't worry. You can still use the Litchi Hub mission planning website at hub.flylitchi.com and then transfer your Waypoint missions to your controller using Litchi Bridge. I'll also leave links down in the video description to my full tutorials showing exactly how to do that step by step. Now that we're familiar with what works and what does not work, go ahead and click where it says Download the Litchi Pilot APK. Now that the file is downloading, click on Details so you can monitor the download progress. Be patient and allow the APK file to fully finish downloading. Now that the file has fully downloaded, go ahead and tap on the APK file to open it. On my Android phone, it's asking me if I want to open the file using CX File Explorer or the package installer. Now, this part may look a little different on your Android device depending on the phone manufacturer and Android version you're using. Just select the package installer or installer application that your phone normally uses to install APK files. Then tap Install. Wait for the installation to fully complete, then tap Open to launch the app. Now please keep in mind that Litchi Pilot is a 64-bit application, which means it only works on 64-bit Android devices and will not run on older 32-bit Android systems. From what I understand, Litchi Pilot has mainly been tested on Android versions 10 through 13. Even if your Android device is 64-bit, you can still go ahead and install the app and test it for yourself to see how well it runs on your specific phone or tablet. Some devices may perform better than others, so the best thing you can do is simply try it out and verify compatibility on your own setup. Now tap Agree, then sign in using the same account you created on hub.flylitchi.com. Once you log in, make sure you tap While using the app to allow Litchi Pilot access to your device location. Next, tap Allow for Litchi Pilot notifications. Great, we have successfully logged in, and now we can click on the flight mission folder on the left side to view or execute any of the drone mapping missions we previously created on hub.flylitchi.com. As you can see here on my screen, I now have access to all of my saved flight missions. If I click on any flight mission, I can view all the details about that mission, including the waypoint path, altitude, speed, camera angles, and all the settings we previously configured. You also have the option to sync all your flight logs with Litchi Pilot, since it uses AirData UAV to track and sync your flight time and flight records. If you want to use that feature, you can go ahead and connect your AirData account. Since I don't currently have the drone connected right now, I'm just going to click Not Now. You can also click on the settings icon on the top right corner to change your country units so everything matches the measurement system used in your country. Feel free to explore the other settings available inside the app so you can customize everything the way you want it. Now all you have to do is connect your DJI RCN1, N2, or N3 controller to your drone, head outside, and start flying your Litchi missions. If you need any further help installing the Litchi Pilot app, don't forget to join my Discord drone community. The link is down in the video description. You can also contact Litchi Support directly if you have any questions or compatibility issues. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you'd like to support the channel and help it grow, click the three dots, select Thanks, and choose your contribution. Any amount, no matter how small, is truly appreciated. And don't forget to hit the like button. It truly helps the channel grow. You can also support my videos directly from your phone. Simply swipe left, tap the Hype button, and choose your Hype points. You can also tap Thanks and select a contribution. Any support is truly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. And go ahead and watch one of these two videos next, so you can continue growing and learning in the drone mapping photogrammetry field.